Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install LibreOffice latest version, that is 25.8. that is the latest one at the time of making this video on RHEL 10, but the process is same on all RHEL versions. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with RHEL, that is Firefox. Then go to LibreOffice official website, it is LibreOffice.org. See here, the latest release at the time of making this video is 25.8. Click on this, download it, or click on download, then select the download LibreOffice. See here 25.8.3. then select the RPM package from this list, then click on download. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 233 megabytes. Wait until download completes. It is zip file. Once download completes, then we will unzip this one and we will install LibreOffice 25.8. okay, see, download is completed. Now open terminal, go to downloads, ls. Now unzip this one, tar-xf, then libre, press the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter. Extraction completed, ls. Now go to this LibreOffice folder, ls. Go to this RPMs folder, ls. See here we have the list of the RPM packages that needs to be executed to install. So, okay, Ctrl L, sudo rpm -ivh no deps start.rpm. This command will install all RPM packages from the current directory. Hit enter. Provide the password of the sudo user. See, installation has been started. See, it is installing 25.8. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to show applications. See here we have the LibreOffice applications like Impress, Math, Writer, Draw and Calc and Base. Okay, so we have successfully installed. These files are not required anymore. cd ls, remove this directory and this zip file to clear the space. rm, ls, remove this folder also. Okay, we have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to download and install LibreOffice latest version 25.8 on RHEL 10.1. okay, as I told you, process is same on all RHEL versions. Okay, for more Linux tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.